Cardano is said to go up 90% in the next few days, and this could be your last chance to buy ADA in a dip. So make sure to stay until the end of this video to learn more about it and some latest updates about Cardano. As the bulls have regained momentum, the Cardano price analysis is bullish and the price is rising. During the last week of February, the price continued to drop after getting rejected at 0.900. But since late yesterday, bulls have taken control again and have been ruling the price function. As the price has recovered to 0.885, bulls have made some progress as well. More improvement is expected over the day as bulls have made some recovery today. After 2 days of devaluation, the bulls currently control the price chart for Cardano price analysis at that time. Within the last 24 hours, the price increased by 1.46%, climbing above the 0.885 level. During the upcoming hours, the bullish trend is expected to increase further, and the bulls seem poised to target the 0.900 resistance level again to continue their push towards the psychological $1 mark. There is high volatility in ADA with the Bollinger Band's upper limit at the $1.196 mark, representing the strongest resistance, and the Bollinger Band's mean average located at 0.985 as the strongest support. And the ADA to USD is trading at 0.774 and the lower band is trading at 0.775. Furthermore, the price has moved above the moving average at 0.774, which is also bullish. Then based on relative strength values at 38, the market is heading upwards at a steep upward slope in the lower half of the neutral zone. Also, a 4-hour Cardano price analysis indicates the price breakout occurred upwards and the bulls quickly took over last night and covered ranges upwards to the present. Currently, bulls are leading and the price is above the 0.885 level with 0.900 the next resistance level. As the Bollinger Bands are not much expanded, the volatility on the 4-hour chart is moderate. At 0.882, however, the Bollinger Band's mean average is found just below the price level, representing support for ADA USD. Also, the RSI is trending upward as the index trades around 50, just at the center of the neutral zone, indicating that investors are buying. Seeing that Cardano's price has risen for 16 hours straight, the cryptocurrency's value has increased significantly. And as bulls march towards 0.900 resistance, we expect the ADA USD to continue its rise in the coming hours. Nevertheless, a slight correction may also occur soon as the price is near the resistance level. Further, with its development in 2017, the Cardano blockchain has propelled the crypto industry to new heights. Additionally, with smart contracts now introduced into the market, the network seeks to expand its reach through broader interoperability and super-fast transaction speeds. Moreover, the analysts now believe that Cardano is on its way to creating some millionaires with all the developments occurring. So Cardano is more than just a Bitcoin or a tweet from a billionaire. And all the work on the Cardano blockchain done by its developers constitutes the investment. Following the hard fork of Alonzo on September 18th, Cardano is currently in its third phase, or the Gogoin. Not only did this bring about self-executing programmable contracts, but it also added the ability to create decentralized applications. As a result of updates from the company, decentralized exchanges will also be supported soon. If you're still wondering why Cardano is gaining so much interest from developers, here's why. With its new features, Cardano is set to offer increased adaptability and scalability, while using less energy than its competitors. Moreover, its low transaction fees are unmatched by any other blockchain. Also, a huge influx of new projects is expected in the Cardano space in the coming months, including a peer-to-peer crypto trading platform, a digital art market, as well as a decentralized exchange with different Cardano tokens, and an NFT marketplace. Also, Cardano is gradually becoming a one-stop blockchain shop for all things related to blockchain. It simply means that they are regularly considering how they could improve its utility as it strives to become the ultimate Ethereum killer. By implementing this vision, they are going to draw a lot of people to their network for multiple transactions involving ADA and other tokens. At that point, ADA's market cap will skyrocket as well as its price. Therefore, anyone who holds onto their coins will profit from multiple drops. Additionally, there is Plutus, which is a new smart contract programming language that makes smart contract developers more secure since Cardano is the only programming language that supports it. And a lot of things differ between it and SOLIDITY, the language used by Ethereum and other chain-based virtual machines such as Polygon, Avalanche, and BINANCE Smart Chain. Also, it sets high standards for developers and dApps deployed on the Cardano blockchain due to the network-specific programming language. Furthermore, it will prevent clones from being developed on the Cardano blockchain like Uniswap and Compound. Further, if Cardano can continue to produce quality like it is right now, then the price of the ADA token will rise, which will in turn result in its holders becoming millionaires since Cardano's use cases increase. As far as dApps are concerned, there is one currently on everyone's radar, which is the Sundae Swap. It is a decentralized exchange with more than 140,000 DEX on Cardano. As part of the Cardano protocol, Sundae Swap is the equivalent of sushi swaps and Uniswaps. In addition to giving Sundae Swap the ability to reduce transaction fees, it will also share in the profits generated by the protocol. Recently, the price of the ADA token has been fluctuating between $1 and below. Despite the price struggle that has some investors worried, recent reports indicate that ADA is poised for a strong bull run. Further, a chart published by Ali Martinez reveals that the ADA token is currently trading very cheaply, according to MVRV 365D. MVRV measurement stands for market value to realized value and helps investors determine an asset's fair value. This report essentially shows the percentage of investors in an asset who is in or out of profit, and the most common application is recording tops and bottoms of market prices by noting how high or how low they are. With this metric now clear, it will be easier to determine what it means about Cardano and how it is getting ready to make millions. And the Cardano network, MVRV 365D, records the profit and loss status of wallets that hold 88 transactions within 1 year, showing that an average loss of 26% is held by investors. In other words, the price of the coin may be on the verge of a dramatic rise. However, one wonders what will be the catalyst for this surge. This metric shows how the market feels about ADA's price. From what we have said so far, you may have noticed that the Cardano blockchain is in a rapid growth phase, and the testnet and mainnet both have many decentralized applications. In addition, Charles Hoskinson states that there might be more to come. There have already been significant changes in the Cardano ecosystem in 2022, starting with the Sundae Swap, then MinSwap, Muesli Swap, and ViFi. There is already a total value locked on all of the DeFi platforms on the Cardano blockchain exceeding $100 million, and with profits like those, the network may even be able to broaden its ecosystem and attract more users and investors. Further, IOHK, Cardano's developers, are pursuing the next phase of their plan to scale the blockchain to cope with the rapidly growing activity on the blockchain, and a roadmap has been released for scaling Cardano in 2022 that details a lot of new features and parameter updates. Several of these new releases and upgrades are bringing new investors into the network since investors have grown accustomed to the company's openness. Also, stats reported by Wells Stats indicate that a lot of institutional-level investors have begun buying the ADA token. Using the monitoring tool, it was discovered that a BNB Whale wallet recently purchased ADA worth about $5.9 million. At the moment, it appears that Cardano is exceedingly determined to overtake Ethereum as soon as possible. It simply means that some of the biggest players in the cryptocurrency industry have started paying attention to the coin. In the future, we can expect the coin's price to skyrocket if the network can continue to pull such heavy weights. Cardano, for those who have already been following it for a few years, you may know that Cardano has pushed for institutional adoption to widen its reach in the last few years. IOHK's CEO, Charles Hoskinson, has constantly stated that the company intends to work in concert with traditional financial institutions rather than against them. Also, it was initially believed that this fit would be impossible since decentralized systems tend to be hostile to centralized ones. Although with time, Cardano will continue to improve its project so much that his goals are becoming more realistic. And an exchange or application that serves the interest of the traditional finance system could be an essential component of integrating the decentralized Cardano space with the traditional financial system. It's still possible for Cardano to reach scale despite the hurdle, and we will just have to wait and see. Nevertheless, it is better to wait and see if Cardano can accomplish all of its big dreams than to predict how high the price of its native token ADA will go. Thus, holders need to remain patient and see how events play out. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.